My name is Dipna Anand. I'm chef, author, and owner of the brilliant restaurant in Southall. This is a message for all the students of University of West London. And that's the university where everything started for me. I did a hospitality and catering degree at the university and then went on to do my master's. It's inspired me to become the person I am today, and it plays a huge role in my day-to-day life. So big up to the University of West London. So during this time, lockdown, how do I keep myself busy and how do I keep myself motivated? Well, firstly, it's tough to deal with the situation, but I find the way I keep myself positive is cooking in the kitchen. So I am taking recipe requests and doing a recipe video every single day, and you can find all of those on my YouTube channel, which is Dipna Anand. So please do go and subscribe. I also am on all social media channels, so if you want to contact me and give me your recipe requests, I will gladly cook you up a dish of your choice. I think what we need to do is keep as positive as we can during this tough time and encourage everyone around us to do the same. So in the meanwhile, please stay safe, stay happy, and be positive.